Good morning, everybody. God bless you. Thank you, Jesus, for this day. Let's get this trade in. Monday market open. Let's see what market's looking like today. I hope everyone's weekend was good. Actually, no. I hope everyone's weekend was great. Matter of fact, let's rearrange those words. Let's see. Just from the 30-minute though. I mean, we could potentially want these highs instead of being at all-time highs. At least we had some sort of down movement. Well, ES has already taken out London low. NASDAQ has... ES did not take London low. My apologies. NASDAQ already took out London low though. So we could have a bullish S&T off of that. And want to take longs on NASDAQ. We'll see. We have a potential break structure down. Oh no, yeah, we're still all the way at all-time highs right now on the 4-hour. Great. On the 1-hour, we haven't broke structure yet. We respected this gap right here. We respect our 1-hour gap. Haven't broke structure yet though. This is previous day high. This is previous day low. Oh no, wait. That's previous day low. Oh my gosh. I'm actually tweaking. This would be previous day high, and we already took that out. I just realized, like, I'm marking the high, but not the previous day candle. I'm just marking, like, a normal high. But it's not what you have to do. Alright, let's see what market wants to do. And on the 15-minute, we didn't break structure down yet. So, this could all just been a revisit. Yeah, so we took out London low on NASDAQ. On ES, we're just shooting all the way up. I think we made equal lows right here. 18325. 18325, yeah. We made equal lows here on ES. Damn, we're really shooting up right now. I'm gonna just have our hourly low marked out. So this is, it's London low. If we close under London low, that is a break of structure on the hourly time frame for both indexes. I hope that we don't continue opposite. Like, I hope, you know, yes, we can have a bullish S&T, but I don't want it to, like, keep the indexes opposite. Like, I don't want NASDAQ to break structure down while ES break structure to the upside. I want them to be in line. So Nasdaq could just like, have wick this but not break structure to the downside, or we wick it and then we break structure up because it's still SMT if our low is not under the liquidity, which it is on Nasdaq. It already wicked it, while ES is just above it. So again, just gotta wait and see. That was my hands, by the way. Just gotta wait and see. Alright, so Nasdaq closed under it, breaking 5-minute structure. And ES broke structure to the upside. So ES broke structure down, while Nasdaq broke structure up. Let's see what we do. I hope that we don't take out these targets yet, because that would suck. I want our indexes to be in line before we try to take out any draws in liquidity or my targets. And honestly, I'm not really like I'm not really, oh, I want market to be bullish today, or I want market to be bearish today. I'm kind of just watching. We're still bullish because we haven't broken structure yet. So we are already bullish. We've just been moving up this entire time. Move up. Excuse me. Move up, then move down, and then we broke structure up. This is our most recent high. This is our most recent. Well, we don't even have a low yet right now. But once we put this blue candle, this will be our most recent low. So we can't even break structure on the 4-hour as of right now. Well, Nasdaq has a low. Actually, no. Yeah, it does. Yeah, has a low. Break structure would be that right there. But ES does not have a low to break under. Nice. I like that we're coming up. Potential break structure on the 1-minute. I want us to break structure down though. We did not break down yet on ES. Nice. So we broke structure now on Nasdaq. Hopefully we can maintain that and continue higher. Break 5-minute structure, which is right here. Just gonna leave it marked out so I know exactly where it is and I don't have to like search for it with my eyes. This is our most recent high. I don't know if we're gonna really come all the way down here. These candles are crazy. Or maybe I'm just zoomed out too much. I don't know. Let's see. From here to here. 28 wicks. right now, Nasdaq is on equilibrium. We got the break of structure, but if we inverse down, like literally right here, if we inverse down, then that might be a sign that market wants to continue lower. ES has not given us a revisit. I mean, it gave us a revisit, but it wasn't a break of structure or anything. So I don't know if that was our revisit, but we just took out London highs, unfortunately. Oh, we're on a new 5-minute now. Maybe now we could get a break of structure and target Asia highs. Well, we inverse that 1-minute gap. I'm just trying to understand if I should have gotten in down here, but the only confluence that's here is that we came super close to equilibrium. And I don't know. I just don't know if I like that as a confluence. So, well, we might break structure now to the downside, but hopefully it's not. We could literally be having a bullish SMT and then a bearish SMT because Nasdaq was at London lows while ES was above it, and then now ES is at London high, or it took out London high, but ES is still at London low. ES should also be all the way up here, but it's not. Well, we got the break structure. Nice, but we didn't break structure after inversing that gap. I'm hoping we could break structure to the upside now and inverse this gap. Target these highs. But this is a bullish SMT. We have these highs. Oh, not yet, actually. Hmm. I think it might be. Because they're making a high on this. Yeah, we have a high, then a high, high. Taking out drone liquidity. And we have a high. Not a high yet. Yeah, unless this closes down, then it'll be a lower high. And we failed to take out the liquidity. So then that would be SMT. And yep. So now what I need is an inverse of this fair value gap. Because we broke down. Now I want to see us break back up. We wicked off on this high. Let's see. If I was looking for shorts, right now I'm looking for longs. If I was looking for shorts after inversing this gap, I feel like I would have entered only because ES is so high up and Nasdaq is so low. I could have did like something like this off of this. That'd be my stop loss. This we take profit. This could be a trade. 125 because we came all the way up. This is SMT right here. Yeah. This might hit right now. But again, it's not really what I'm looking for. So, wow, that wick off is crazy. Didn't break 15-minute structure. And yeah, this just looks terrible. Pretty sure, yeah. This is our 15-minute high right here. Boom. Nasdaq just took out London lows. Or no, Asia lows. Sorry. Asia low. ES just took out London low. And now it's kind of like, damn, there's nothing really else to do besides get into ES and try and target Asia lows. We're about to inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. We could potentially break structure. Well, I mean, we have Asia highs on both, and we have London high, but I don't know. Let's see if we inverse this gap and disrespect equilibrium. If we inverse this gap, it's over with. Then we'll be bearish and try to target Asia low. But Nasdaq already took out Asia low, so it might be a little difficult. I don't know if Nasdaq generally wants to continue lower or not. Let's see. A minute left. Mm. Well, a 5 minute inverse that gap. Let's see if we could get some sort of revisit, like a minute break of structure, something like that. We didn't break structure, but we inversed the gap and completely disrespected equilibrium. So let's see if we can get some confluences from this. I should be taking shorts on Nasdaq because it's the more bearish, but I don't know. Like, this is our next target for the 1 hour, and I'm not too sure we're gonna hit that. Wow, ES is just coming down a little bit to try and touch Asia lows. So let's see if we get a 1 minute break and then break to the upside, hit equilibrium, and then break back down. And yeah, let's see. If this candle stays down, this will be our most recent high. And then yeah, that would be our breaker structure. This candle right here. The perfect trade, now that I'm looking at it, after taking out this high, coming down, we break structure. This could have been the trade right there. I just wasn't sure. I was really like, see, I I wanted to keep like my mind out of like mirroring a bias, but since we had broken structure up, oh yeah, we just broke structure up now though. Since we broke up and like I don't know, I was just really bullish, so I just wanted to take longs. I wanted Nasdaq to get in line with ES, but the S&T, I should have been paying attention to that more. I could have targeted London lows, and I would be done for the day. Off of the breaker structure, down up. This candle right here. Enter 47. Not too sure how much that is. It's probably like 500 and something, almost 600 potentially. 6 minutes left. If market really disrespects equilibrium like this and starts to push up, that's crazy. I mean, we still have freaking bullish SMT from Asia low to London low now. Oh my gosh. SMT divergence after SMT divergence, man. Are we ever getting a revisit? No way. So, we completely disrespect equilibrium, and now market is really just pushing up. This is crazy. Wow, man. I gave up on the longs, and now it's looking like we want to go long again. I was just waiting for the revisit, but this is a breakdown. Then we broke structure up, so that's bullish right there, man. Which I should have realized. Got the breakdown. Then broke up. But there's nowhere to put my stop loss. I'm not about to just enter right here and put stop loss all the way down here. It's not too smart. $57. Yeah, it's risking 700. I'm just gonna be patient. If we just take out Asia high, then we just take out Asia high. Which would suck, but it's not smart to just risk that for no reason. I need some sort of revisit. So what made me not think we're going long anymore was this 5-minute inverse, but apparently that was just because of our SMT, us taking out London highs while Nasdaq was way below London high. So again, I could have literally taken another trade right here, but I missed it. And right here, stop loss right here, and I could have just targeted London high once again. 45 would have been 562. Five-minute breaker structure. And it's 2 minutes left until the hourly closes. And right now it's above the low. It's above the point where it would be a breaker structure. And yeah, we don't break structure. So we are still bullish. It could potentially be liquidity sweep. And now we move. Oh, not ready yet. 40 seconds. My bad. So we didn't break structure. Maybe we could get a revisit now. Make equal highs. This wick is crazy. We don't have a low right now. A low to break structure. All we have is just move ups. So wow. And our potential, what I thought was gonna be our most recent low, closed out to be like nothing. Great. Come on, market. Come on, yes. Stop being like that. Come on. I need a low. Well, mm, if I was in this trade right now, of course I wouldn't be wishing it would go lower, but because I'm in the trade is why I'm wishing that it would go lower right now to give me some sort of revisit, another chance, another entry. Because I wasn't paying attention. I thought we inversed this gap, so I thought we were gonna continue lower, not realizing we already, like, I realized that we broke structure down, but like I didn't put it together as, okay, this is our breakdown. Now if we break up, we're gonna continue higher. And I think the reason like the reason why I wasn't like that wasn't my thought process was because we inversed the 5-minute gap, so it made me feel like, okay, market is deciding it wants to go lower now. But that was only the case to complete the SMT divergence. I'm really hoping we get a revisit though, man. Like, like just come down, tap equilibrium. I might be asking for too much though, because at the end of the day, market isn't always gonna give that revisit. Well, I mean, hold on. We just came into this fair value gap and closed out of it. Is there a gap here? There's a gap all the way down here, which Nasdaq has not entered into yet. We just came into this gap, close out. Let's see what market does right here. Maybe this will be the breaker structure to equilibrium, or we just continue higher right here, because this is a revisit right here, confluence. Fair value gaps. Nasdaq is showing breaker structure. ES looks like it's getting there. Nice. So Nasdaq broke structure just barely. Okay. And like we're just shooting up. Bruh. Come on, man. Just like keep it nice and simple. I'm gonna enter off breaking structure to the upside. Right here. Damn, actually, like, market is not looking pretty. Didn't break structure. Did not break structure. On the 15-minute market does not look good at all. It's like super small and just wicks. Oh, we broke 15-minute structure on ES. Broke 15-minute structure to the upside on ES. I don't know if this is maybe liquidity sweep or we are gonna break structure, but we just wicked our most recent low. Even though we're moving down right now, this could just be our revisit to equilibrium. But we do have a fair value gap. Not on Nasdaq though. I don't know how I feel about inverse inversing the gap just to get to equilibrium. This is our 1 minute break of structure right here. Well, hopefully at least. Equilibrium is about to get touched. Boom. With equilibrium on NASDAQ. Now we have fair value gap that we can inverse. Still got 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So if we flip, yeah, like see like this right here, if we flip it up, we wouldn't be inverse, it'd just be filled. Nice. I like to see this. If the risk isn't too much, then I'm definitely gonna go with 2 positions. Like if we don't inverse this gap super high up, and like I have a decently, well, NASDAQ hasn't inversed it yet, so damn. Well, now we're super deep. Oh no, not super deep. 20. Damn. I hope we don't like continue without me, bro. I just want to wait for NASDAQ so I know that both indexes are aligned. Nice, okay. NASDAQ also inversed it. Yeah, that's our 5-minute high. So I'm gonna put 1 TP and then final TP for Asia high. 5-minute candle closed bullish out of our fair value gap. We're already wicked. 15-minute equilibrium right there. Could potentially wick it again right now. Damn. Why are you coming down here? Equal low. Turn around. Get away from me. What the heck? This is not cool. Let's see. I'm gonna put stop loss there. Maybe market really wants to tap equilibrium. I don't know. 16. $400. Oh, and I'm stopped out. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why came back and took me out. I don't get it. Maybe the market really just wanted equilibrium. Yeah, I'm really not sure, guys. I'm not sure. Unless, like, genuinely market just wanted to tap equilibrium. But I thought I put my stop, like, a little bit past. I guess maybe I didn't. Or maybe it just wasn't enough. I don't know. Honestly though, if we inverse this gap, I'm gonna take the same trade, essentially. Oh, never mind. It's hard. Is this a break? I think we might have made equal low. maintaining bullish. I think this was a gap. Yeah, there's a gap right here. So okay, we inversed the gap on Nasdaq, and we inversed. What's this? Where was the gap that I wanted to inverse at? Oh yeah, it was this gap. And then we broke structure down on ES. Right now we're just playing on equilibrium. Break structure, inverse for value gap. Break structure, inverse for value gap. That's what I'm looking for right now for my entry. This is terrible. Price action. What was it? It was from here to here, I think. Yeah. And then it'll be this now. But I don't know. I'm not gonna pay that. No mind. Because it's from most recent high to most equilibrium is most recent high to most recent low. But as you can see, like this just looks insane. Yeah. I'm just not gonna pay that any mind. I don't want to see us continue any lower though. Like I really want us to, see, make these moves now because this is where equilibrium was, and like we already was on it. So if we continue any lower and like break structure again, because we already broke structure, like if we break structure again, yeah, I might just, leave the charts alone for the rest of today. Come back tomorrow. All right, 25 seconds. Let's see. We got 5-minute break structure on ES, but Nasdaq is just like up and down, up and down. It's not really breaking structure anywhere. Came up, ended up inversing this gap, and oh no, we didn't break structure. I forgot. Made equal low with it, but that was all for equilibrium. I feel like, or I hope so at least. Now our breaker structure is all the way up here. Our breaker structure is still right here on ES. I already have set what I'm gonna do, like what I'm gonna enter, but now I just have to wait for it. And it could be right now. If Nasdaq decides to get in line with ES. Not yet. Nice. ES broke structure and filled that gap completely. Now I'm waiting for Nasdaq to do the same. Nasdaq just broke structure. Okay, yeah, I should have just entered instead of being hesitant. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I said I was, so I'm in the trade. Oh my gosh, don't just like. Alright, so 350. Why when we break structure we have like the biggest candle? Disrespecting our breaker structure. Just mark that out real quick because I'm gonna put 1 TP. I'm gonna put partials at our 5-minute high. When we came down, made a gap. Hopefully we can inverse it. No gap on ES though. Just wicks in both directions. 20 seconds left. Market is really just being difficult. Market does not, like, it's looking like it just wants to stay in this area right here. Like, look at this. This is market today. This was market so far today. Man, let's see some real moves. Like, this was good, but then we completely went opposite, and then now we're going back up, but then now we came back down and we're just stuck here for right now. What it feels like, we're just stuck here, and now we're coming down again after breaking structure and inversing. Stop me out again. This is a tricky one, guys. This was a tricky one. Market's literally just on London low and Asia low for Nasdaq, and then market is just London high to London low, but we're not like continuing higher or just continuing lower. We went up, then we came down, then we went up. Or we went all the way up to one of my targets, and then we went to another target on the opposite direction. This is not how I wanted to start it. This is not how I wanted to start my week. On a loss, but it's like, what can I do? Why is this candle not loading? Yeah, 31 and 29. There's a candle missing. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm not too sure what I could have did differently for today. Besides, matter of fact, I know what I could have did. I could have entered earlier. If I entered off of this break of structure and put TP to London low because we had a SMT, we had a bearish SMT, I would have been done for the day. I would have had my trade. I would have been out at 9:47. There's no news today as well. I checked earlier. I would have been out at 9:47 and I would have entered at 42. 5-minute trade for 587. Not bad at all. So on the day I am down like 700, 700. I mean, yeah, this just makes no sense to me. We got a 15-minute break of structure. Nasdaq has not broken structure on the 15-minute, but it's like, wow, what are we doing? We're just moving sideways. I guess today was just one of those days where even though I have my confluences, market just wants to do its own thing. So can't do nothing about it besides come back tomorrow and, you know, just back to normal. Back to predicting where market wants to go. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm really not too sure why market is inversing gaps and breaking structure, but then going the opposite way of the breaker structure. It looks like we're about to break structure again. Wow. Yeah, I don't know why this candle is not loading. There we go. Now we're on. Yeah, there we go. That broke structure. The inverse I would need is all the way up here though. For NASDAQ. We did break structure. I should just enter longs again. Maybe this time for real. God, I just really don't understand what we're doing here. I don't get it. Yeah, like, we're way past equilibrium down here. And don't even get me started on Nasdaq's 15-minute, bro. Looks terrible. Terrible. Yo, bruh. Are you serious? So I really should have entered off of that breaker structure. Wow. Market, guys. This is just crazy. Nasdaq just inverses gap. So even if I waited for Nasdaq, I still would have had to wait and get a fill all the way up here, which isn't ideal, but I mean, you know, can't do nothing about it. Damn, that's 500, bruh. I just don't get it, man. Like, why when I'm not in the trade anymore, it smacks my partials? It's just crazy. This is literally where my partial was. Actually, no. It was... Where was it? I think it was here. It wasn't even on London High no more because we were just moving down. So I just wanted to secure profits. I don't even know like what I'm waiting for right now. I don't even know if I should trade. Well, I'm already way down here, but potential 5-minute breaker structure. Maybe we just wanted to, I don't know, fill some of these gaps and respect them. Maybe market decided it actually wants to move up now. Well, we closed out of the gap on ES. Damn, we haven't closed out yet on Nasdaq though. The fair value gap. Didn't break structure. Oh, we did break structure on ES though. That's fire. Why are we moving down again? Broke structure down. Actually, this is like all over the place. Now, why are we breaking structure down after breaking structure up on the 5 minute? Oh, we really want an equilibrium. I just put it there to see, but I didn't want market to actually start going down, bro. I can't believe it. I really can't believe that we actually took a London high. That's where I had my partials at first because we were like somewhere over here. Yeah, it was right here. When we inversed this gap, my partials was at London highs. And then we ended up stopping me out and coming down even lower. And then we just had one huge boom. Yeah, market is really just manipulating right now. And it's working on me at least. Because, wow. Got stopped out. Both trades I've taken so far. And we should be continuing higher because we didn't break structure, but we're kind of just, I don't know what to say. I don't know what the word is. Maybe it's because we took out these highs, those hourly highs, potentially could be the reason. And our 5 minute hasn't moved. We broke structure down on both indexes somehow. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know. Like, if we break structure up, do I really want to enter again? This is just very annoying. Maybe she's just telling me. Maybe this is just like, never give up. And I want to do 2 entries. I like doing multiple contracts instead of one because then it allows me to take partials, which secures profit, and then after securing profit, I could move my stop loss to break even. And it's like, it just guarantees. What nothing is a guarantee in trading, but like it's safer but also riskier at the same time because doing multiple contracts means you're risking more, so you'll lose more. But if it touches partials, then you secure money, and then you could move your stop loss to break even. Well, we made a fair value gap here. But we did not break structure on either. We're doing what we were doing earlier, which is like bouncing on equilibrium. Just staying at equilibrium. We went past it, then we went past it, and now we're back. Even if we respect this gap, I'm still not gonna enter because that's not changing order flow. That's just respecting, like, you know, the bullish movement. But that doesn't really mean anything because market didn't change order flow yet. Like, yeah, we moved up here, but we didn't break structure. So us respecting this for value gap doesn't give us any confirmation. Yeah, like 26. I don't know, man. I don't even think I'm gonna take the trade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take that trade if and when it happens. It just doesn't look good. Market just does not look good. Like, this break of structure is good. Nasdaq doesn't have that. And if I do take the trade, I don't think I'm gonna do 2 entries again because I'm like down 700 already on the day, and this will literally double my losses. I'm not trying to do that. So if this loses, I will be down $1,000 on the day, but it's not gonna happen. You know, my trade won't get stopped out if I enter again. I hope. You know, market wouldn't do that to me. 3rd time's the charm. I don't think market is that cruel. Hope not. This is our break structure. This right here is our break structure. Damn, man. Damn. I'm just really trying to think what I could have did better. And all I'm thinking about is the fact that I missed this trade down here. That's all I'm thinking about. And if I entered right here on this break of structure, I would still be in the trade. Oh no, I'm lying. I would have got, yeah, never mind. I would have been taken out right here. 1036, 952. Damn. Long trade. Let's see. 3rd time the charm. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Okay. That's insane. The fact that we were all the way up here, and then as soon as the candle's gonna close, we just come all the way down. Is that another? That could be another bearish SMT potentially, I guess, because we came and took out London High again. Well, yes, it's all the way down here. Maybe. I just don't know. And we broke structure again. Yeah. I just don't know what to target, and market is just not like, I don't know. Market's, they're really moving sideways right here. Like, we're moving up, and I'm like, all right, finally. And then we just close small and end up wicking the high that we were supposed to close on top of, or close over. 761. Yeah. Well, this week so far erases last week. Unfortunately, puts me at 2.8k on the month. 3 days left on the month. Come on. I could do it. I can do it. I just need to be more attentive, I guess. More, like, I don't want to say like easily influenced, but like I need to be able to just like, okay, market wants to go here, okay, so we're going there. Like, because I wanted to be bullish, but then market did this, and I should have, like, I know this, I know SMTs, and I know, like, I know those things, or I know what happened today, and I just, I guess, wasn't paying attention, or I wasn't looking for shorts, so I didn't take the opportunity, and now I suffer the consequences of not being up on the day. So, yep. Thank you for watching. God is great always. None of this matters right here. All these red days don't matter. The green days don't matter. What matters is that, you know, I'm alive, healthy, able. So, God is great always. Thanks for watching. I will be ending this month more than 2.8k for sure. I'm not going to be going down. I'm not going to continue to lose this. Maybe I'll lose tomorrow. Maybe I'll lose the day after tomorrow. But the win on Thursday will be bigger than all of them. And I'm going to end this month greater than a total of 2.8k. So, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.